Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to hide likes on Facebook posts. When you like or react to a Facebook post, that information becomes available to the masses. Anyone who can see that post can see who responds to it and how many reactions it has accumulated. You can either choose to limit who can see the post or opt not to display that information. Here's how to do it. Tap the circular menu icon located at the bottom of the Facebook app or at the top. In Settings, select Reaction Preferences. Tap on the On Your Post toggle under Hide Number of Reactions. Then, tips to control your feed on Facebook. First, snooze content. To temporarily hide posts from a specific person, page, or group in your feed, click the three dots button in the top right or bottom right corner of their post. Then select Manage Your Feed and select Snooze. Name for 30 days. This action will prevent their posts from appearing in your feed for 30 days. The second, adjust feed preferences. Adjust what you see on Facebook by modifying your feed preferences. Navigate to the Settings and Privacy and click on Newsfeed. And alternate the option as desired to personalize your Facebook experience. The third, set favorites. Prioritize posts from your closest friends or favorite pages. You can select up to 30 friends and pages to add to your favorites. Their posts will then appear higher in your feed. To set this up, go to Settings and Privacy. Tap on Newsfeed and tap on Favorites. Now select the 30 friends and add to your favorites. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.